Okay, this is the Eahora X5 Plus 1200 mile review update. I was just biking and you'll see here I just rolled over 1200.2 miles and I was biking by the airport and thought I'd do a quick update because it's September in Wisconsin. And thankfully it's warm today, but I don't know how many more biking days will be left. So I don't have a ton of updates from the 900 mile review. Thankfully everything is still working. I shot a new video of the sound I'll try to post. Someone asked what's the motor sound like. If you recall, one of these caps fell off. I replaced it. It's held. The brakes look pretty good. The wheels get dusty, but I haven't had any problems mechanically since that review. I think I showed you. This is from folding it in the trunk. If you recall early on, Eahora was gonna send me a new bolt here. They never did. So I'm just using the one I found. They were nice by email. Probably if I contacted them again, they might send it. But they haven't sent that on their own. I know some other people commented on not getting a response. They always responded to me. And I had that little nick from putting it together. They said they could get me touch-up paint. And I haven't gotten that. But other than that, I think if I contacted them again, they probably would send it. Everything's working good. I haven't had any mechanical problems in 1200 miles, thankfully. And if you recall, this grip still slips in, but I just kind of work it back. This grip here. And this grip has stayed perfect the whole time, and I really like the leather grips. And if you're thinking about a bike, I would say I'm really glad I got the front shock because the roads are so rough. Now I know the newer model has a shock under the seat, and that might be nice too. It's up to you about that. And again, the seat that came with the bike was like a kid's seat, not comfortable, so I just got one on Amazon, a little nicer. So that's the 1200 mile update. Hope you're all enjoying your e-bikes or looking to get one soon, and we'll see you next time.